at the WIT family, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here because this is, as you can see, these prices start at anywhere from $125 to up to $450. So these are really well targeted for high value verticals. But they're the same footprint, and we have 902.4. The power goes up to 1 watt for 900 megahertz, up to 100 milliwatts for 2.4. Data rates vary between the different modules from 172 kilobits per second to actually up to 1.2 megabits per second. It's one of the fastest hoppers out there. Like I said, we talk about high value applications. It's a UART interface. So there's a single interface, and you're going to send data to it serially, and data is going to come out serially. And we actually have Ethernet access points available. Now, if you look at these modules, this module right here is about the size of a business card. So they're fairly compact modules. So if you look at WIT, the value proposition is just as very high reliability and robustness. So we have them that they'll go from a few tens of meters to a few tens of kilometers with a variety of data rates. So WITs are used when high data reliability is required. So this is not you're going to spend a couple $100 for a link. So the data you're sending, getting it from point A to point B, that has to be very valuable. For operation in really difficult RF environments, I tell people I've never really had someone tell me the WIT radios would not work. I've had a lot of people tell me they're too expensive, but they'll work. So the most robust radio out there are the WITs. And where you need some longer range and then guaranteed bandwidth, and that's accomplished through a time division multiple access scheme that's an automatic scheme that makes it very simple. So why do WITs win some sockets? Because it's really the highest performance in terms of robustness and reliability among frequency hopping spread spectrum radios. They're also very configurable in terms of being able to configure how fast they hop. A lot of very sophisticated networking features. We have subbands and international bands so that they're easy to implement around the world. We actually have what we call Wi-Fi avoidance bands. A lot of people are concerned that frequency hopping, I'll say it with a lot, some people were concerned early on that frequency hopping would interfere with their Wi-Fi networks. And so we can avoid channel 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 11, whatever, and we'll hop in all the rest of the band, but we overcome that concern about hoppers interfering with Wi-Fi. And then they work where others won't. We've had a number of customers who've tried other products, and they come back and say, yours is the only radio that works. But again, the price point is going to make it for very high value applications.